For thee, my God, for thee alone, my spirit longs with ardent love. On earth beside thee there is none, and none but thee in heaven above. Fulfill, O God, my heart's desires, while I look up, look down to bless each holy wish thy grace inspires. May I in thy deep love possess. My soul cleaves heavy to the dust, but thou canst raise and set it free, and then in calm and joyful trust it soars from earth to heaven and thee. Now in the stillness, as the breath of prayer goes up to the skies, oh, give my soul the wings of faith, that it to thee may gladly rise. That breaking through each fleshly link which binds its being to the earth, at life's clear wellspring it may drink, rejoicing in the smile